Alright, hey Scrap Hounds, how's it going? And as you can see, you're looking inside my washing machine. It is a LG inverter direct drive, you know, one of these guys. Scrapping on the fly. I think he actually sent me a video or shared a video out about how gross these things can be. I've had it apart already. Unfortunately, I didn't get any video. It's been a little stressful around here. 6 dogs and 3 people in the house. Lots of laundry gets done. So yes, I've had this apart a few times, and like, you wouldn't have even wanted to see the video, see what was underneath this thing in a video. We've had this washing machine for probably 10 to 12 years, and it's never had a tub clean. Lo and behold, you press this little button on the fabric softener, hold it down for 3 seconds, and it allows you to do a tub clean. Fancy that, fancy that. So, needless to say, I've been doing bleach washes and whatnot in between. I've had this off, I've been scrubbing it, but like you can still see there's a lot of stuff there still around the ring. I washed it out in between its drain cycles on the clean. So yeah, shout out to Olight putting in the work. They're pretty handy anyway. And yeah, so I'll be taking the pump out as well again, and just making sure that there isn't anything in there. And like, it was pretty trapped up with, you know, threads from clothes and stuff like that. But yeah, and kind of clean out this a little bit better. Keep that in mind, you know, like every 6 months, maybe remember to clean your washing machines and stuff. Who washes the washer? Yeah, so I'm gonna pull this apart. I'm gonna rinse it all out again good, soak it in some more bleach, get more of the crud that's plugging it, because this is the filter on these units. There's a plastic cover you'll see as soon as I get it off, and it's a two-piece thing sort of thing. So when the water goes through the holes, it's got a trap thing as a filter. Remember to clean your filters. Clean the washer. Who washes the washer? Yeah, so I got my toolkit here. We're going to need a few things. 3 flathead screwdrivers, small ones, to remove this cap here. There's 3 little tabs in there, and then you got to pull it out evenly. It's kind of a goofy thing, but it comes out all right. And then just a 10 mil socket. Oh, easy 10 mil socket. And extension, and then, oh, not that ratchet, but your ratchet there. So you don't need a whole lot of tools to take this apart. This might be a little tricky for me to actually film and do this, but I'll kind of show you. You take your little screwdrivers and just stick them in there, in your little tabs, like so. And just get them in there, and you got to be careful because that's plastic. You don't want to break them. So just carefully pull that up. I mean, you could do it with 1 screwdriver too. Alright, so as you can see, that is actually pretty clean now. The first time I took it apart, that wasn't the story. That had... we won't even go there. Alright, anyway. Just set those there. Next we take our 10 millimeter socket. And I got an extension and your ratchet here. And this is the tricky part. So you gotta hold the tub from turning, as you see, while you take that out. Or you could get it going and give it a quick spin. So, you know, there's a little trick. Get it spinning the other way, and then give it a quick jam, and it'll release it on you. So But you guys can see it anyway. Alright, so there's your center nut. Take that, set it somewhere that you're not going to lose it. Remove your ratchet socket. And then now we can just grab this guy here, impeller, and that comes up. So there, as you can see, there's the two-piece. There's its plastic. That's the filter side. Now, when I first took this off, grab a light here, put some light on the situation. Now you can see in the corners how it's really dark, and then like up top here, it's much whiter plastic, clearer looking. There you get a good shot. So this whole thing was black like it is along this rim. Not so, like I say, I've been scrubbing it. You can see that there, this thing was so plugged up, and we have high iron water, so like even this side of it was pretty caked. This is, I think, now the 7th time that I've had this apart, and I'm gonna rinse it all out again. So we'll do that. I'll flush some buckets of water. You can see there's still a pretty good grime layer. I can really only get so far without taking the whole machine apart. Like, you could take the drum apart and clean it. I contemplated it, but anyway, I'll flash some more water down through there, rinse it out, and then stick it back together, run another tub clean cycle with some bleach in there, and see that it drains. See if it gives me another code or any more grief. Oh. The one thing that still works, the dryer. Excuse the bit of the mess in our laundry room, but yeah, so here goes nothing. Famous last words, right? There's some bleachy water in there to sit and soak. And I'll grab something, try to give a little bit of a scrub around on those dirty spots in there. And I give it a spin around. I guess when I was cleaning it, those paddles might have been sitting over some of them. But yeah, just try to scrub that out a little bit more. And just hope for the best, scrap hounds. That's about all I can do. Or else, like I say, it might be making it into the next scrapping video. Woo! It's been a pretty good machine. Just gonna close that just to keep some of the bleachy smells in there. Put the flashlights there. It's been soaking in the tub here. I've been sloshing it around, banging it around in the tub here. And sorry, my tub's a little dirty. We've been scrubbing and washing this stuff out and clothes, and like I say, we got high iron water, so that's what you're seeing. It's not just necessarily filth, but yeah, so I've been just kind of taking this, submerge it down in the water, and then just crash it around, bring it up like that. But check that out, where you've seen it before. It's definitely looking better. I hope it looks like it's looking better. Oh yeah, that's definitely a lot cleaner. I see a bunch of the stuff now. I have rinsed this out. This is the 3rd time since you've seen me take it out. Unfortunately, I just, there's too much on the go with the camera, scrap hounds. But yeah, so I'm gonna give it one rinse out with the shower tap. But yeah, it feels lighter. Grab my trusty flashlight. And there, I guess it is kind of hard to see, but there's a lot of scum layer still in there. And but Yeah, so I'll get the line there taken off, and then drain that out into buckets, and then flush another bucket of water down it just to get as much of the stuff rinsed up out of here. And then I'm gonna run another tub clean cycle, like I said. Lots of grossness. Yeah. Good stuff, good stuff. All right, well, let's get to work. All right, we got that sloshed around. I'm gonna shut the water off just in case my hose decides to drip. There we go. So leave that hooked up because there's no water in there. All right. And next we just want to disconnect the little clamp that holds that up there. And yeah, it's a slow drain. It's getting down to the, you can just barely see a little bit there, way down yonder. Definitely quite a layer of sludge. And once this gets to about here, because water is fairly heavy, I'll take it out and then just empty it outside. Just sprayed one. Yeah, well, let's give it a rinse down. Give this a double side. Hey. Alright. Woo! Careful on that snow covered floor. Alrighty. So, we'll give her a little more water. Alright, well there, after about another half a dozen or so buckets, the large buckets, not the small buckets, drained out and rinsed around and around and around on repeat, you know, rinse and repeat, scrap hounds. It's looking pretty good, so I'm gonna put the drain hose back together over there, center the impeller. It's not an agitator, it's an impeller. Back in, bolt it all together, and fill this up with bleach and run another tub clean and see what it says. We'll watch it go, watch it go. Is that or we'll watch it burn? We'll watch it burn. We'll scrap it out. What's that say? Hoorah. Hose clamp. Remember the hose clamp this time. I stuck it on a few times, did this all, and I have it leak because this isn't really the proper hose for this. See, there I go, talking away. I was gonna forget my hose clamp again. Isn't really the proper hose for it, so, but it works. There we go. There we go. All right. There. So we'll put the impeller back on. Oh, come on. All right. There we go. Got the nut there. You have no idea how long I searched around for a 10mm socket to do this until I realized that I had a brand new socket kit with a 10mm in it, which we'll grab right now, and our center cap. Tight. There we go. Perfect. And tight like tiger, she ain't going nowhere. Put the center cap, it's got 3 little points on the holes there. So you just line those up, it's pretty self-explanatory. Yeah. Right. There we go. Groovy. That's all back together, lickety split. Take the lid off there. Thank you, Olight, for making this job so much easier. So next I'm gonna grab the bleach, fill that up to the max fill line, and turn her on and set her on a tub clean cycle. Where's my bleach? Alright, got my handy Clorox bleach. Fill this up to max fill. There we go. Looks good. Looks good. Plug it back in. Did any of you catch if I had it plugged in or not the whole time I did that? Drop it in the comments below. Alright. Well, famous last words. Here goes nothing. Let's try that again. There we go. Okay, so what you want to do for tub wash on this machine is put it on this normal, and then your fabric softener lights up. So then it's also got a little star here, and like I had said earlier, features on them if they've got a star. You press and hold for 3 seconds, so, and then it activates that. Oop. There, and you can see it changed all those parameters to its certain thing, and I really can't change anything now unless I turn the power off. All right, so it looks like we're ready to go. Oh, no, fuck. Here goes nothing. Oh, please tell me life's gonna be good again. So as long as this drains and does the full cycle, I'll run one more and then run a load of laundry and hope for the best. So, yeah. If not, you'll see this thing in my next scrap video. We got 1 hour and 2 minutes. She's all steamy. Oh, hot water. Hot water. It makes it steamy. You see any crud floating in there? Doesn't want to focus. Well, just as I was watching it, it went into its rinse cycle where it would start to drain, and poof, same issue again. You can hear it humming. I've tapped and banged, squished the lines. I don't know. Just trying to figure if it dawns a new pump or if it's just gonna get scrapped. Scrap hounds. But anyway, I'm gonna hum and haw about it. Oh, good times, good times. Not really, not really. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna hum and haw about it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go back to hand draining this thing out, and I don't imagine that that'll excite to anybody who's seen it already. So, well, this is what my days have been like since Saturday, and it's now Tuesday. I think. I don't even know. I don't even know. Anyway, smash the like button. Drop me a comment below. Maybe it's the motherboard. Who knows? Who knows? I'm a scrapper, not a repairman. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, it'd be awesome if you subscribe, jingle the bell, get some notifications, and we'll see you all in the next one. Cheers. Stay blessed. And send me some prayers, all of them. Pray for my washing machine. Cheers. Bye.